Hey there loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. My name is Hinata and today we're gonna be doing a cooking video. So I'm gonna be a little honest with you. Cooking is not my forte. I actually started cooking the past few months. I've been always a no cooking girl. I didn't like to be in the kitchen. But recently I've been wanting to cook for myself some healthy meals and also for my man, because you know. And well, here I am cooking. So let's see how it goes because I am scared. Today I am gonna be doing a lasagna. I was with my man the other day. We were in the car and he had the biggest lasagna craving. We went around for like 2-3 places looking for lasagna. We couldn't find one open and we then ended up eating Chick-fil-A, but I want to give him the lasagna he wanted. So let's try to make this. It's my first time making lasagna and you're gonna make it with me. Here in front of me I have some of the materials I'm gonna be using, and because I'm gonna be trying this and maybe it'll come out good, then you should try it too. So I'm gonna give you the list of materials. It's also gonna be down below, but first we're gonna start with our pound meat. I think it's called that. If it's not, then the one that looks wiggly, it's called carne molida in Spanish. We also have some sazon because we're Puerto Rican and we sazonar everything. We have sofrito, we have ajo, we have adobo. Si es colla, tiene que ser bueno. Ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, boricua mixed cheese, lots of cheese. We have the pasta thingy for lasagna. We have some salsa, 3 cheese salsa, and I'm gonna show you this because I bought it today. We have a container. We are gonna be baking this, so it should be a baking container, safe baking container. Let's get started. Let us begin by washing our hands, and let's start by preparing the meat. I don't like how it looks. You know what? I'm just gonna say carne molida. I'm not gonna complicate myself. Probably most of you talk Spanish, and if you don't, then it's the wiggly meat. My brother, who's also the one guiding me to do this, said that I should do 1 cuchara, that's 1 tablespoon and a half of ajo. So let's go like this, and then half would be like this. I'll also need adobo, which I'm gonna just add a little now, and then if I don't like how it tastes, then I'll add more. Salt. Don't want to do this, but ew, this is so nasty. This tastes like nothing. And it needs more salt. I'm just, testing. I think I'm gonna add the sofrito here because I'm gonna add oil there and I don't want oil and sofrito to mix. Yeah, I'll just do that. My dad told me I can do it like that. I also called my dad. I asked the whole family to help me in this journey. Or should I do it here? It already fell. Time for the fun to begin. We're gonna be cooking our meat. sofrito. This is really good. Add the prego salsa. I'm so excited. We'll prepare the cold shock, which I'm gonna explain in a few minutes what's that, and start making the pasta. The cold shock, as my brother explained, and my dad, shout out to them both, it's a way to make the pasta after you cook it doesn't like break. So the cold shock will help that process doesn't happen. And to get the cold shock going, we have water, and we'll just add ice. I'm gonna taste the meat with the salsa because I didn't do that before. That's good. Did I make that? Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because my pot is small and the pasta thingies are very big. Let's see if it works. Just gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a tiny bit, not too much. I'm gonna add the whole ricotta. We have our mozzarella cheese. That's done. That's cold. Oven is ready. We're a little bit far away from where we left off. I am putting the meat back because I forgot to add the ricotta in between. Add ricotta. ¿En serio no tienes idea de lo que puede ser? God knows what would have happened. And to bake for 50 minutes with the aluminum oil. So and then we have 25 minutes in 400 Fahrenheit. So see you when it's done.